हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। आज एक इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करने वाला हूँ। उसमें से बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट आपको पता चलेगा। आप अगर नेट एस्पिरेंट हो, जेआरएफ एस्पिरेंट हो, एसआरएफ एस्पिरेंट हो, तो आपको बहुत फ़ायदा मिलने वाला है। तो लास्ट तक वीडियो को देखें और जो भी हम डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं उसको ध्यान से सुने, क्योंकि इसमें से बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जिसके द्वारा आप बहुत सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स भी सॉल्व कर पाओगे और आपका जो भी कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्लैरिटी होगा वो भी इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा। तो the question was like if the exchangeable ion determined in the soil में बहुत सारे ions होते हैं, तो there are some concentration of different ions present in soil in the question. So potassium कितना concentration है 5 centimole per kg, sodium 5 centimole per kg, calcium 10 centimole per kg, magnesium 2 centimole per kg, hydrogen 1 centimole per kg, aluminum 1 centimole per kg, chlorine 1.6 centimole per kg, carbonate 1 centimole per kg, bicarbonate 0.4 centimole per kg. And the question is, calculate the CEC, that is cation exchange capacity, base saturation, ESP, that is exchangeable sodium percentage, SAR, that is sodium absorption ratio, then RSC, that is residual sodium carbonate. So इसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करते हैं। देन फर्स्ट इज टू कैलकुलेट CEC। CEC क्या होता है? कैटायन एक्सचेंज कैपेसिटी। दैट मीन्स हमारा जो क्ले कॉम्प्लेक्स है सॉइल में, क्ले कॉम्प्लेक्स है वहाँ, दैट इज द रिएक्टिव साइट ऑफ द सॉइल। ओके, सो क्ले कॉम्प्लेक्स में कितना कैटायनिक चार्ज वाला जो भी आयन्स है, कैटायन्स है, वो कितने हैं? तो कैटायनिक जो चार्ज है इसमें से कौन सी है? That is potassium. So you have to add all those cationic charge. Cationic means having positive charge, right? So potassium K plus form में रहता है, तो potassium is a cationic. So 5 plus sodium another 5, that is 10. Then calcium another 10. So just I am adding one by one. 5 for potassium, 5 for sodium, plus 10 for calcium, for magnesium 2, for hydrogen 1, for aluminium another 1. So these are the cationic molecules present in the clay complex. So this contribute to the CEC, that is cation exchange capacity. So you have to add all those positive cationic like cationic charge वाला molecule जो भी है minerals है, उसको आपको add कर देना है। तो this will be your CEC, cation exchange capacity. That means 5 plus 5 10, 10 20 22 23 24. So the cation exchange capacity will be 24 centimole per kg. Okay, so this is your CEC. Then what is base saturation? Base saturation is the total basic cations divided by CEC into 100. That is base saturation. That means out of total cation present in the clay complex, how many basic cations are there? What is the percentage of basic cations? That is base saturation. Okay, so which are basic cations? Basic cation are potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium. Okay, and hydrogen and aluminum, they are acidic cations. So what is the concentration of potassium? Potassium 5, and sodium 5, calcium 10, and magnesium 2. So total basic cations concentration is 5 plus 5 10 plus 10 20 plus 2. So 22 divided by 24 into 100. Whatever it is coming, that is the percentage base saturation. So are you getting my point? So CEC is different, that is having total cationic concentration. Base saturation is different, only basic cation which contribute to the basicity of the soil. Okay, acid contributing cations are hydrogen and aluminum. They are not included in base saturation. Okay, next thing is ESP, that is exchangeable sodium percentage. ESP is equal to exchangeable sodium percentage. That means in the CEC means cation exchange capacity of the clay complex, what is the saturation of sodium? Okay, so here the sodium cation the concentration of sodium is 5 centimole per kg. So here the sodium divided by sodium का concentration divided by CEC into 100, that is ESP, exchangeable sodium percentage. sodium का कितना percentage है, कितना concentration है? 5 divided by 24 into 100. So this will be ESP, exchangeable sodium percentage. That means the clay complex is saturated with this much amount of this much sodium. Okay, ESP, that is ESP. Then SAR, sodium absorption rate or ratio. How to calculate this? This is calculated by sodium का concentration divided by square root of half of calcium plus magnesium का concentration. So यहाँ पे सोडियम का concentration कितना है 5 divided by half of calcium and magnesium. calcium कितना है 10 plus 2 divided by 2 इसका square root. So 5 by square root of 6. So this is whatever it will come, that is the SAR, sodium absorption ratio. Okay. Another one is RSC, that is residual sodium carbonate. What is the formula? Formula of RSC is carbonate plus bicarbonate minus calcium plus magnesium. Okay. So here the carbonate का concentration कितना है 1 plus bicarbonate 0.4 minus calcium का concentration 10 plus magnesium का concentration 2. So 12 plus 10 plus 2. So this will give 1.4 minus 12. So it will be in negative. Okay. That means actually this is in soil. So if RSC generally calculated for the salt water or saline water or carbonate, the water where carbonate and bicarbonate concentration is high. So there the RSC value will be positive. But here in soil RSC value will be negative definitely, because the carbonate and bicarbonate, they are not directly present in soil solution. They are attached to the clay complex, so obviously RSC value will be negative. So this is how you can calculate RSC value, residual sodium carbonate. So if questions asked, question generally इतना लंबा चौड़ा नहीं आएगा, इतना सारा पैरामीटर को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए एक साथ नहीं आएगा आपको। मैं इसीलिए ये सारे पैरामीटर्स प्रोवाइड किया था क्योंकि आपको समझाना था ईच पैरामीटर क्या क्या है, लाइक CEC, व्हाट इज कैटायन एक्सचेंज कैपेसिटी, व्हाट इज बेस सैचुरेशन, हाउ टू गेट दैट, ESP, व्हाट इज एक्सचेंजेबल सोडियम परसेंटेज, हाउ टू गेट दैट, SAR, व्हाट इज सोडियम अब्जॉर्प्शन रेट, हाउ टू गेट दैट, एंड RSC, रेसिडुअल सोडियम कार्बोनेट. So this is how you can get all this information from the question. Okay, अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है, you can ask me in the comment.